आज बच्चों स्मॉल लेटर एंड कैपिटल लेटर दोनों प्रकार की ABCD किट्स मैं आपको लिखना सिखाऊंगी। आप मेरे साथ लिखो। ए 3 लाइन में। A फॉर एप्पल, कैपिटल लेटर A, स्मॉल लेटर A, V, capital letter V for ball and V for bat. Small letter C, C for cat, C, C for cow. Small letter, capital letter and small letter. D, D for dog, D for doll. Small letter. E, capital letter E for elephant, E, E for egg. Small letter. F, F for fish. Capital letter. F, F for fan. Small letter. G, G for God. Capital letter. G for grapes, G for grapes. Small letter. H, H for hand. Capital letter. H for hand. Small letter. I, I for ice cream. Capital letter. I for ink pot. Small letter. J, J for jug, J for jug. And J for joker, J for joker. Small letter. K, K for kite, K for kite. And K, K for king. Small letter. L, L, L for lion, L, L for leopard. Small letter. M, M for monkey, M for monkey. Capital letter. N, M, M, M for mango, M for mango. Small letter. N, N for nose, N for nose. Capital letter. N, N for nest. Small letter. N for nest. Small letter. O, O for owl, O for owl. O for orange. Capital letter and small letter. P, P for parrot. Capital letter. P, P for pen. Small letter. Small letter बच्चों. Q, Q for queen, Q for queen. Q, Q for quail. Small letter, capital letter and small letter. R, R for rabbit. Capital letter R, R for rose. Small letter. S, S for sheep. Capital letter S, S for sun. Small letter. Small letter बच्चों. T, T for tiger, T for tiger. Capital letter. T, T for tomato. Small letter. U, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Capital letter. U, U for unicorn. Small letter. V, V for van, V for van. capital letter. V for vulture, small letter. W for water, W for water, capital letter. W for watch, small letter. X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray, X for X-ray, capital letter and small letter. Y for yak, Y for yak, capital letter. Y for yarn, Y for yarn, small letter. Z for zebra, Z for zebra, Z for zoo, capital letter and small letter. A, capital letter and small letter. V, capital letter and small letter. C, capital small letter. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Please like and subscribe my channel बच्चों.